Greetings, and welcome to our online Math 60 course. I wanted to take a few moments to run over the layout of the course, to hopefully orient you to this as quickly as possible, so that you can turn your attention to the course content and assignments. One of the most important things to be able to find is the main navigation bar, which is just below our course title. The main navigation bar contains links to every important aspect of our course. Working our way left to right through the navigation bar, we'll quickly review what each of these links will do. The first link that we come to is the link for Scott's Virtual Office. If you click on this link, it will open up a new window, which is the login page for my virtual office. I hold weekly online office hours in this virtual office, and I'm also available for appointments outside of my regular office hour times. Please contact me by email if you'd like to make an appointment outside of my regular office hours. To the right of the virtual office link is our course homepage link. Clicking on this will bring you back to the main course homepage. The most important things to be aware of on the course homepage are the announcements. Almost every week I will post an announcement of important information relevant to that week's material. Each time you log into the course, you should definitely quickly scroll through the homepage just to see if there are any new announcements that you have not yet seen. To the right of the course homepage link is the course content link. If you click on this, you'll have access to the table of contents for our course. Our course content and assignments are broken down into modules. Each week we'll have a new module, though the modules will not necessarily start on Sunday or Monday. On the left side of the page are links for individual modules. If you pick a particular module and click on that, all of the pages and assignments related to that particular module's content will open up on the right side of the page. Next to each module, you might notice a number in a box. That number represents how many pages or items you have yet to view for that particular module. Once you've viewed all the pages and items for a given module, that box with a number will then turn into a check mark. To the right of the content link is the Webwork link. Webwork is the online homework system we will be using for one of our assignments each week. When you click on the Webwork link, it will open a page below that has all the assignments on the Webwork server. You'll complete exercises each week in Webwork, and your work and scores will be recorded on the Webwork server. At the end of each module, I will then copy the scores from Webwork over into D2L. It's important to note that because Webwork is a separate system from D2L, these scores will not automatically appear in your D2L grade. That will happen at the end of each module, once I have copied the scores over. To the right of the Webwork link is the Discussions link. The discussions are broken down into two different categories. There are module discussions, and then there are open Q&A discussions. For each module, you'll need to post a completed Webwork question with full written solutions as a discussion posting. There's a link to sign up which question from the Webwork assignment you are choosing to post. To earn credit for this discussion posting, your initial post for your module discussion must be made by Thursday at 11 p.m. You will be able to edit and revise your posting until the following Tuesday at 11 p.m. when the module closes. In addition to the module discussions, there are also the open Q&A discussions. This is where you can ask questions related to that module's content, or also answer another student's questions. I will also sometimes post questions here to get you thinking about that module's content. To the right of the discussions link is the assignments link. In addition to having the Webwork assignments each week, where Webwork will grade you correct or incorrect, you also have a written assignment for each module. These written assignments are called worksheets. The module worksheets will need to be downloaded and printed, completed by hand, then scanned and uploaded back to the appropriate worksheet folder. You will have one worksheet per module to complete. To the right of the assignments link is the grades link. This is where you'll be able to view your grades at any point during the term. Your scores from different assignments will be posted here as soon as they're graded, and you'll also be able to see your overall course standing towards the top of the page. Finally, to the right of the grades link, you have the class list link. You can use the class list to email anybody in class, including me, the instructor. You want to be sure when you email people that the subject of your email includes both the class and the CRN, so people know which class this is related to, and you should also have a subject that actually gives people an indication what your message is about. So that's the basic layout of the course. You'll want to jump in and start looking around. The sooner you start investigating the different areas, the assignments, the content, going to the virtual office, and so on, the more comfortable you will become with the course. The sooner that happens, the sooner you'll be able to start in on the content and start completing some assignments. I hope you have a wonderful term, and please do not ever hesitate to contact me if you have questions about anything related to our course.